We'll guide you through how to make DaVinci Resolve not lag so you can enjoy smooth editing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the top left corner, click on the DaVinci Resolve menu, and choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Memory and GPU section. Here, you want to ensure that Resolve is utilizing your system's resources efficiently. Start by checking the GPU configuration. Set the GPU processing mode to Auto if you have multiple GPUs, or select your dedicated GPU if you have only one. This ensures that the software is using the best available graphics hardware. Next, look at the memory configuration. Allocate more system RAM to DaVinci Resolve if possible, by adjusting the slider to maximize the amount of memory available for editing tasks. After setting these preferences, click Save to apply the changes. Now, return to your project and go to the playback menu at the top. Select Render Cache and choose Smart. This option allows DaVinci Resolve to automatically determine which clips and effects need caching, improving playback performance. If you're still experiencing lag, try lowering the timeline resolution temporarily. You can do this by going to Project Settings, then Timeline Resolution, and selecting a lower resolution like 720p. This doesn't affect your final render quality, it's just for smoother editing. Lastly, make sure that your media is stored on a fast drive like an SSD, as this can significantly affect performance. By following these steps, you should notice a significant reduction in lag, allowing for a more seamless editing experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.